You're vlogging? I have so many videos I have to edit.
What?
Is this the most important thing I have to do right now? No.
Hi friends!
Where's my phone?
I have it.
Where's my phone? My
it.
phone? The lid. The lid.
Right here.
The lid.
Kenny's in the back.
Sit in the truck.
Are you okay with me vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay.
You panic.
You ask
Sorry.
me that every time.
I know, well, like, if you ever, like, don't feel good or, like, I want you to be like, oh, no, like, I'm not comfortable being on camera
I'm not
today.
comfortable being on camera today.
Okay.
I still have my sticky on.
Amanda, cut the footage of Stephanie.
I still have my sticky on.
Take it off.
I'm trying.
Take it off.
I can't. Can you help? My sticky won't come off. Oh, you alright? It's okay.
Why is he sitting straight?
Brutus is like, we're going to that place where we picked up that fucking puppy. There better not be another one. I got news for you, baby boy. It's okay though, because Brutus like adores Goldens for some gross reason.
Because he loves Goldens. Hi, boo.
Hey, you want to clean my car, babe? Never mind. Ooh, good God.
So Stephanie made some cool posters. She has Dunkirk Harry Lover. I have Vehicular Manslaughter. And Stephanie has Welcome to California. It's nice, it's nice. We're at the airport. We're at the airport. It's funny, this is the same outfit I'm wearing in the vlog I filmed yesterday. Because you can't keep your mouth shut. If you don't want to be recorded, you're going to be sitting there in the background just making comments the whole time.
I can keep my mouth shut. Those are my mouths.
Those are my shut. So I know like my whole vlog will be me trying to keep you out of frame, but you're just talking shit in the background.
Just spewing hot garbage.
Stephanie, what you got to say for the vlog?
Get fucked, eat ass.
Okay, you can't say that. McKenna?
Hello.
No.
What?
Olivia?
I don't know what to say. Get fucked, eat ass.
No! McKenna! As your father, you can't say those things on camera.
Your daughter.
As my daughter, I'm your mother.
Yeah.
You can't say things like that on camera.
That's mine. Is she coming today?
Yeah.
She better be.
I already asked.
asked?
I already asked that.
She's coming at 4. She's at with us. They're celebrating Easter.
Ah! That's not true. Happiest golden on earth. That dog is miserable. Look at her face.
Stephanie's just roasting Hope.
Boom, roasted. Brutus, you drool. Boom, roasted. Noxus, you have big balls and you never stop breathing. Boom, roasted. Ridley, you're fucking ugly. Boom, roasted. You can't. Percy. Ugly. Oh.
What do you got to say about Percy?
You don't live here. Boom, roasted.
What about Hope?
You have no bone. Boom, roasted.
Boom roasted.
Hope. Hey, Pop. Hope, do you have a bone? Any of them.
Hope,
Like even one.
just blink if you have a bone.
Oh my God. She's never blinking again.
Okay.
She really hasn't blinked.
She hasn't blinked.
She hasn't blinked because her eyes are already fucking closed.
I'm literally recording because in previous vlog, Amanda, insert the footage.
Oh, he's one time.
I'm filming.
One time.
No.
I won't do it the rest of the day.
The rest of my life.
Okay.
Don't cross your fingers. You can't do that. You're crossing your toes, your legs.
I'm not.
Uncross your legs.
What else can I cross? My ribs.
No, I won't do it the rest of the day. The rest of my life. Okay. What else can I cross? My ribs. You're up.
Of you promising to never do that to me
No,
again.
but I was crossing my toes. I told
No,
you that.
that doesn't count. It literally doesn't count.
I'd like to speak to the manager of this establishment. If a man, never mind. I was gonna say something else, but I forgot you were actually vlogging.
She's such a. You know how much stuff I have to cut out?
Yeah, I know.
There's a FAKE in here. I don't know why I spelled it. Jazzier!
Is that the one you're talking about, Allie?
Oh God.
Did he board?
Kaboom! What's the secret you never tell your mom? Oh, I didn't do my every video thing. Just my nose. Queen Nelly, you widows, you stinky. She's happy now. Back with me. Thank you. It's a beautiful summer's eve. Oh wait, nope, it's spring. Sorry.
Hey, there's a fat doodle.
Welcome to my
It's over
vlog.
there. It's right here, actually.
I feel like it's real, but
I'm
just
a doodle.
having a bad day.
Yeah. As long as it's not like lunging and trying to eat me, I don't
Yeah.
care.
That's true.
Live your best life.
Because he was trying to get it focused back on him.
We all been there.
Oh yeah. I mean, Brutus literally goes through like 7 children a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But like
Other
he
day.
used to be 10, so it's getting better.
Exactly.
He's regressed.
Ridley didn't eat.
Which he's not at all.
Yeah, regress.
I would hope
That's
not.
the one. That's the one.
I'm feeding Ridley table scraps.
Stop doing that. She didn't eat it. It's okay.
What flavor.
She's a good
Is
lady.
this your water, CJ?
Yes.
I already drank some of it.
Dude, you're gonna give me the wrong fucking vid now.
What did you just say?
Wait.
She said the vid.
What if later?
I got vaccinated today.
I saw. How do you feel?
Completely fine. A little bit tired, but I don't know if that's just
I wouldn't
normal.
know the difference. I'd be like,
That's
I'm having
why
one of
I'm
those
like,
moments.
No, I want it. I need to make my appointment.
Please don't film my dog. Upset.
You're asking about where Brutus is.
They are?
Max, stop.
Like, where's the Saint Bernard? It's over here.
Aw.
Just wait. He's
Who's
coming.
next?
Just you wait.
Thank you.
Beauty.
Hope.
No.
Thank you.
He just goes into a smile.
So dumb.
Thank you. Knox. Sits. Didn't get a boot from Boo. Contacts. Buddhist contacts.
Ready?
Good. I got a boot from everyone.
You didn't ask me for a book.
Would you like to boot? There we go.
Like the heel.
I'm having a good time. Oh my god, rain. Yeah.
CJ, how do you feel?
I felt so powerful. And that's on desensitization. Ridley, your turn. Let's go. Let's go. Yeehaw. Okay, don't pull. I don't like that.
Ridley said, we're going.
You said yeehaw? Oh, we're riding? I said, Mom, you said yeehaw, so I...
Just so you know, if anyone kills Judas, I do require 1 McChicken sandwich and $25. The
Okay.
extra 5 is for emotional trauma.
Okay. Get him, Judy. Get him.
My diaper bag's missing.
Oh, look at the Goldens. Hopi, is your man finally laying with you? Judas, stop chewing on my shoe.
I gave your girlfriend.
No.
Come on, Boo. Brutus, here.
Kaboo! I hope. I hope.
How'd you do that?
He's a bad boy. Leave it, Knox. Noxus, no. He stole it. We just made it to the beach with Kevin.
Beachwood Cafe.
I'm so glad you guys are so excited.
We're at the Beachwood Cafe. Ridley, stay.
Oh God.
Ridley, get down. Let her get out.
The French spy and the Russian spy. Noxus, here. This is my nest. It's my nest.
Scary. It's scary. What do you want to see me do it again?
What is that horrific screeching? I don't know, but I'm waiting for it.
It's espresso.
I burped.
From the depths of hell. Satan, is that you? Yeah.
Oh, we're done. Okay, go ahead. Do your vlog. Welcome to the food. Nope. Wrong one.
You look so fucking pretty today. Don't look at me.
I know, I have too many clips of you going.
Let me compliment you.
Oh. What if?
You look pretty.
Whoa. Ooh, that's kind of sick.
Does anyone have a water bottle?
I do in the car.
Can't stop.
And the Benchland cap. Oh shit, I'm still recording.
No tea, no shade. Amanda's really fucking pretty.
And the Benchland cafe.
Yeah, I don't know if it's spicy.
Burger. Looks gross. Wow.
I ruined it.
This is us trying to recreate the music video Golden by Harry Styles, and since I can't use the Golden music, here's my rendition. You're so golden. Nim 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 nim. Nim 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 nim.
Oh yeah, I was gonna vlog too. We're at Knott's Berry Farm.
Very fun.
The team today, Nelly, espionage, Piazza, hop. So, while I was experiencing pre-syncope, I left my camera on the floor inside one of the stores and internally walked away from it. So I just went back to grab it. And I'm very out of breath. I'm very tired and it's very hot. I think we're going to head out. They said that. So I think they said that with our tickets we can leave and come back. So I think we're gonna leave for a little bit, wait till the sun goes down, wait till it gets a bit cooler because we're all dying. We're all heat intolerant and this was a really bad idea. I got my nose. And he's doing good. Okay. I'm not excited for summer.
I'm never excited for summer. You know why?
Why?
Can't regulate my body temperature.
Stephanie can't regulate her body temperature.
That's medical information I didn't give you privilege to say.
Editing Amanda, cut that.
Editing Amanda, add.
Editing Amanda, just put weird noises over that.
Editing Amanda, you can put that in only if you say that Amanda's a bitch.
Editing Amanda, cut that.
Editing Amanda.
Editing Amanda, listen to me. Don't listen to her.
Almost. Good effort. Good effort. Claps.
This is Boys Married Lemonade. Shmee.
My eyes burned a little bit for a second. You're watering them.
It's okay to cry.
I'm not crying.
We're back. We went back to my house and took a break for a little bit. We watched VHS 2, kind of.
No, we didn't.
This way. I'm guiding us the way to Chicken Nuggets. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
Oh, sorry, Josie. Josie's new name is Jose because I spelled it wrong in our group chat and it was really funny to me.
See you.
Hey, friends.
When are you're getting?
I hope this music isn't copyrighted.
I don't think so. Down. Lie down. No, down.
I'm tired. We just ate cookies and the pizza. I literally have food on my face. Nice. Editing Amanda, cut that. So we just had pizza.